This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Trying to pump more cash into a tight credit market, the Fed and other central banks jointly announced a new $200 billion expansion of its lending program. The Fed acted in conjunction with the European Central Bank, the Bank of Canada, and the Swiss National Bank. But despite this eagerness to accept the government's liquidity injections, banks are not significantly increasing their lending. Banks have already borrowed a total of $160 billion since the Fed started holding these auctions in December as a way to ease the credit crunch, which began last year when mortgage defaults and foreclosures began to skyrocket. Economists believe that the U.S. economy will suffer as the slumping housing market eats away at job creation and consumer spending. But the nation should avoid slipping into a recession this year. The forecast expects the economy to post gross domestic product growth of about 1.5% this year, rising to about 3% growth next year. U.S. trade deficit widened slightly in January as strong exports were offset by higher oil prices. The nation's trade gap widened by 0.6% in January to $58.2 billion. Boeing said it will formally protest the refueling tanker contract awarded to European Aeronautic Defense and Space Company and Northrop Grumman Corporation. And CEO Robert Iger said the Walt Disney Company expects to collect $1 billion in revenue from online content this fiscal year. That's a significant rise from estimates for fiscal 2007. Economic reports scheduled out tomorrow, just one big one, federal budget for February. Earnings today, Altus Pharmaceuticals said it earned $5.4 million or 16 cents a share. Buckle said its fiscal fourth quarter profit rose 32%, helped by increased sales at stores open at least a year. The apparel retailer reported net income climbing to $29.1 million or 94 cents. And Stage Stores reported its fourth quarter profit falling 20%, partly due to one less week in the period and lower same-store sales, but still managed to top analyst estimates. Scheduled earnings on Wednesday include Men's Warehouse, Jo-Ann Stores, American Eagle Outfitters, Hot Topic, Morgan's Hotel Group, and Talbot's. Stocks in the news today. Citigroup took action to bolster 6 of its hedge funds after they came under pressure by tighter conditions in the municipal bond market. Altria Group affirming its expectations for 2008 per share earnings from continuing operations growth of 9 to 11% from an adjusted base of $1.50. And John Wiley & Sons reported a fiscal third quarter net income was 67 cents a share, and adjusted share earnings rose 7% to 59 cents. That is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.